Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In today's video, I would like to unbox one of the kits that I purchased from Walmart. Um, it's actually going to be a series of unboxing videos, maybe 6 or 7, because I bought a lot of kits recently, and at the same time, I am diamond painting a diamond dots design that is kind of time consuming. That is why it will take me some time to finish it and post a video review on it. So, and while I'm working on it, I will make a series of a few unboxing videos, and I will start with this beautiful kit that I ordered on Walmart website, and we will see how it looks inside. This kit is actually sold on a lot of websites, including Leisure Arts, but on Walmart it was the cheapest one. It was around $22. I will leave the link in the description box below. In other websites, it is a little bit more expensive, from $24 to $28. This is a sparkle art leisure art kit powered by diamond dots. I have never worked on it before, so I will show you some differences from a standard diamond dots kit that this one has. I saw this kit maybe 6 months ago, and I was really attracted by it, most likely by a very intensive blue color, which I love so much. This is the original design, and finally I decided to purchase it. I really like the design itself and the colors. Plus, it is in blue and yellow colors, which are the national colors of the Ukrainian flag. And you know there is a war happening between Russia and Ukraine, and I'm really very worried about Ukraine and Ukrainians. So, and also to show my support to Ukrainians, to my Ukrainian subscribers, I would like to diamond paint it and most likely give it away to my Ukrainian friend here in DC area. So let's open it. Let's start as always with the canvas, and I can tell you one thing. The first thing that makes this kit different from standard diamond dots one is the canvas quality. Those of you who diamond painted diamond dots kits know that their canvas is polyester. This one is different. It is very weird. On the back, this canvas is fabric based, and it is very similar to Timney art canvas or cotton canvas. Well, I think you can see pretty well and even feel the softness, right? The camera is pretty good. But the front of the canvas is just a standard plastic one that we all know from AliExpress kits. So it is not fabric on both sides. It is fabricy on the back, but plastic on the front. And again, even on the back, it differs from a standard diamond dots canvas, which is polyester. This one is not. Most likely it's either cotton or something like that, not even velvet. As to the canvas on the front, it does contain port glue. So adhesive is port glue, which is great. And as you can see, there is a continuation of the design itself, which is beautiful. And it is not really very color related, which I love. The symbols are mostly white rather than blue. But again, I also like it because it contains the element of surprise. The kit comes with 32 colors. The imprint is pretty nice, very well recognizable symbols, easy to read. and the poured glue is pretty sticky. A very beautiful design. A girl, the name of the design I haven't said, I don't believe I mentioned it. The name of the design is Yellow Dress. A beautiful young lady. The car, I guess it is like the maybe 1920, 1930 of, you know, last century. That's how it should turn out. Beautiful blue colors. Here it is. And the size is 40 by 50 centimeters, which is, on the one hand, is pretty small, but since the artists are working on diamond dots designs, I know it will turn out terrific with very high definition. And again, over here, the diamond painting kit is already completed on the preview, so you can actually have an idea of how it's gonna turn out. Now, let's look at the drills. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit. Now let's look at the drills. 31 colors are regular resin drills, and one color, specifically white, is AB. Very beautiful variety of colors, and there are a lot of shades of yellow and blue as expected, but I was very surprised to find green one and kind of orangey one, dark brown. I guess it will be diamond painted on a violin that the girl is having in her hands, but beautiful. I love the shades of blue. Blue is my favorite color, especially this one. I guess just regular blue. And I love the intense of these colors here in the shades of the blue. One more thing that differs this kit from standard diamond dots ones is the drills. I assume that Sparkle Art Collection is kind of like a cheaper version of Diamond Dots kits, because again, as you see, the canvas is not really fabricy. It is somewhat in the middle, fabricy on the back and plastic on the outside. And the drills are kind of different from regular Diamond Dots ones. They are more 3D rather than 5D, like in regular diamond dots kits. So if you look at them, they are more flat on the surface rather than faceted, and they do not have as many facets as original diamond dots drills. Especially you can see it on the AB diamonds. AB diamonds, like these diamonds are really of a very good quality AliExpress kit diamonds, but they are different from diamond dots, standard diamond dots. Standard diamond dots, they are fuller, they are thicker, they have many facets, 5D ones. These are lighter, not as faceted, and not as tall as diamond dots ones. Just again, very decent quality AliExpress drills, but not as good as diamond dots ones. That is why it makes me think that it's kind of like a cheaper version of regular diamond dots kits. But as to the design, again, artists are working on it. That is why it will turn out pretty detailed, not pixelated, regardless of the size. And for me, that's what matters. It is the final result, even if the canvas is not fabricy. I would rather have a plastic canvas, but a detailed resolution and the image in the end, rather than high quality drills but pixelated design. And what I'm thinking to do is replacing one of the drills. I think I wanted to replace number 3. I don't remember. I need to check. Oh, this one, yeah. to replace this color number 3 with yellow AB diamonds from Diamond Dots, because as you can see the color is identical. So I will have a white AB and blue AB. Oh, I'm sorry, and the yellow AB. I was thinking about blue as well, but then I was thinking it would be just way too many ABs, might not look as good. And besides, the majority of blue colors are in the back to create the depth of the design. So maybe it would make sense to make them just with regular resin drills instead of AB, to again show this illusion of depth. So I will leave the link in the description box below. If you like this kit, go ahead and purchase it. And in my next videos, we are gonna open more kits that I purchased, but not from Walmart, from another company. I will talk about it more detailed in my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.